Okay, so this video is going to show one of the accessibility features available on Windows. So this is a Windows laptop, specifically a Surface, a Microsoft Surface. If you want to go and find the accessibility features, you are going to go to the Start menu, and if Settings isn't there, you would just type Settings in here in the search bar. When the settings opens, you can see on the left-hand side, there is a section for accessibility. The feature that I want to go over here, because we discussed color blindness, and I think that's like a pretty interesting feature, and I feel like a lot of people have used voice filters and the voice features. I wanted to show the color blindness filter and kind of what that would do for people who need different colors on their screen and have issues with different colors. So when I get in here, I can see in here there are color filters, and it shows the initial color filter preview. If you want to change it so that this can work with people with color blindness, you can turn the color filters on. You can change the intensity of it, so I can like change the scale of the colors. Additionally, I can just boost colors if I want, and then I can look through and see that there are different types of color features. So the first one is red, green, green weak. There's red, green, and it's red weak. And so you can see that the colors change, and you can see what the preview looks like. There's blue, yellow. If you want to get rid of color altogether, you can do grayscale, grayscale inverted, or just inverted colors. So this allows for people who need there's colors filtered for this. For color blindness, they can use this to actually enhance the colors that they can see. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. Additionally, down at the bottom, there is a keyboard shortcut for turning the color filters on and off. And there's other settings that relate to the colors and transparency effects, but that is for the general public. But these are very specific to those who need color blindness and colors filtered for that.